Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a vertical stacked bar chart component in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you want to visualize group data across multiple dimensions, like tracking opportunity stages across different fiscal periods, all in one clean, easy-to-read chart. First, you'll need to navigate to the Dashboards area in Salesforce. Click on the App Launcher, which is that grid icon you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. Once you click it, a search box will appear. Type in Dashboards and select Dashboards from the results. This takes you to the Dashboard Management area where you can view existing dashboards or create new ones. Now let's create a new dashboard. Click on the New Dashboard button. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your dashboard. Choose something descriptive that reflects what you're tracking, for example, Opportunity Stack Chart. Once you've entered the name, click Create. This sets up your blank dashboard canvas where you'll add your chart component. With your new dashboard open, it's time to add a widget. Click on the plus widget button, and from the options that appear, select Chart or Table. This opens up the component builder where you can choose what data to display and how to visualize it. Next, you'll need to select the data source for your chart. Search for and select your grouped report. This should be a report you've already created that contains the data you want to visualize, something like Opportunity Stacked Report. Once you've found it, click Select. The system will load your report data into the component builder. Now comes the key step. In the component gallery that appears, you'll see various chart types. Look for the vertical stacked bar chart option. It's typically the fourth option or clearly labeled as such. Click on it and you'll see the preview update to show how your data will look in this format. This chart type is perfect for comparing totals while also seeing how different categories contribute to each total. Time to customize your chart to display exactly what you need. Set your x-axis to your first grouping. This could be something like stage if you're tracking opportunities. Then set your y-axis to the metric you want to measure, such as record count or sum amount. Finally, and this is what makes it a stack chart, set the stack by field to your second grouping like fiscal period. This tells Salesforce to stack different colored segments within each bar based on this grouping. Once you're happy with the configuration, click Add to place the chart on your dashboard. You can resize it by dragging the corners or reposition it by dragging it to where you want it on your dashboard canvas. This flexibility lets you create a layout that works best for your needs. Finally, click Save to save your dashboard. Take a moment to verify that your chart displays the stacked bars vertically as expected, with each bar showing your different stack segments in distinct colors. You now have a powerful visual tool that helps you analyze your data across multiple dimensions at once. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.